Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing this docking station. It's a 16-in-1 from Elecife. The model is 5G01. Okay, 16-in-1 multi-functional USB-C docking station. So we had the power USB-C, we had the host, we had the USB 10 gigabyte, which I guess is kind of like a Thunderbolt, 13.5 millimeters, direct current connect, DC 3.5, RJ45, 3 HDMI ports, USB 2.0, and then two 3.0s, and then we also have a USB 10 gigabyte times 4. USB 10, huh? Alright, so let's go ahead and just unbox this real quick. It's a very nice box. Look at that. So here's the accessories, top box. And then we have the manual. So for the accessories box is basically the power brick, the DC port, so it'll charge in this way, and a USB to USB cable. And on this side, as you can see, it's a very small docking station. So this won't take too much room on your desk, you know. M2 solid state drive. Ooh, thank you very much for his purchase. Before using the product, you need to connect power adapter that comes with the product. The docking cannot directly charge your laptop, so you need to plug the adapter to your laptop to the docking station to charge the laptop. Drivers need to be installed before HDMI ports, so you just have to read the instructions on that part. So here's the front. As you can see, there's the earphone jack, the USB-C 10 gigabyte transfer. So if you want to plug in like a USB-C hard drive, that'll be pretty good. Then we have a USB 2.0, and then another USB-C 10 gigabyte USB port. Nothing on the side. This is all aluminum, as you can tell. It's very nice and cold. I like that. So here we go with the RJ45, the 5 gigabytes USB, then another 10 gigabytes USB right here. Here's your 3 HDMIs. Here's the host, and this is where you'll have to plug in your power so that you can charge your host laptop. And I'm interested in this up here, so you can stick a hard drive into here. So that's a very cool bonus. I didn't know that. For a solid state drive, you stick one in here. You can use this to, you know, oh wow, it's a magnetic door. Look at that. That's cool. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. It's a very nice, high quality, very good, very nicely laid out from Elecife. Elecife. And then here's your power button up here. All right. I'm going to hook this up and I'll see how it goes. Any question or comments, leave it below. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.